Hey guys, this is on the screen showing you what your sperm slide will look like. This is 100 total magnification, so that's on your 10 power objective. And so you can see the sperm look like tiny little specks. We're going to go up 1 power and use our fine adjustment only. And you can use your mechanical stage to scroll around until you find a good looking specimen that you can tell the most about. Now, of course, you can see the flagellum here and the head, and there's a mid piece that's dark there. Okay. This is a picture of an ovary. Okay, one of the things that you're going to be drawing on your student data sheet is the Graafian follicle. And the Graafian follicle is basically a mature egg that's about to be released. It'll go from this stage to that stage. So this represents what's going on in an ovary. If you look at our slide up here, we're looking at the ovary under the microscope. These are all the primary oocytes, and as they mature, they will get to this stage. Okay, so we're going to come down here, and this would be a good example of a Graafian follicle. You'll notice this will be the actual egg, ovum, as it will later be called, and it's layered with all of these little cuboidal cells which will protect it. Guys, your next slide is a slide of seminiferous tubules. This is in the testes where sperm are made. So this is a testicle, and as you can see, a cross section actually is the testes are made up of all these tiny little tubes. This represents a cross section of the inside of one of those tubes, and you'll notice a lot of flagella right here. The heads of the sperm are in the wall here, and their flagella are here, and when they become mature, they'll release and swim down that tubule. Now, this is a diagram of meiosis, and at the very end of meiosis you will wind up with gametes, sex cells, which are sperm. So this is a close-up of that tubule we were just looking at. You can see the flagella, the tails of the sperm, and you can see they start out as just round cells, and then as they mature, they get closer and closer to the center of that tube. So let's take a look here at our slide of that. Same thing. Here's a tube. That's the very center of that tube, and this will be the outer edge of the tube. Here's another tube, another tube, another tube. This is called a seminiferous tubule. Okay, so we're going to go up on our magnification, and you'll need to center up your slide, the area that you're wanting to look at. Okay, and this is the area that you're interested in. All of these little tails, those are the flagella of the sperm, and this will be the most mature spermatid that will be about to be released into the lumen, which is the center of that tubule.